Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee. I've got this rocket Appartamento here, and it came in with some heating issues, and I found out that it was just wired incorrectly, so I rewired it and then gave the machine a tune-up. So I replaced the screen and gasket here on the group head, as you can see. These are the old ones. I descaled the machine. I noticed that it was also heating up kind of slowly, and that's just due to mineral buildup, so actually the descaling was really helpful for that. I removed a lot of those minerals from the heating element to help it heat up faster. Then I backflushed the group head to remove any coffee residue throughout that system, and cleaned the steam wand, hot water tap, and wipe down the whole machine. So I'm just going to pull a shot to show you everything's working. This is just our test coffee, so it's not going to be the perfect shot. It's just to show you that the machine does work. There you can see nice crema on top, and here's the steam. And here's the hot water. Alright. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.